Welcome to today's session. I am in the kitchen and I'm going to be showing you how to make one of the Kenyan dishes. It's called Pilau, which is a Swahili dish from the Swahili people of the coast. It's a rice dish with meat and lots of spices. So I'll get on to it. To make pilau, you need onions, like two of them, three cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger, and meat. I'm using beef. So I have my pot here with oil, so I'll let it heat for a minute. I'm going to add my onions. So the dish is usually quite spicy, but it's delicious. To give it nice flavor, you use lots of onions. I've used 2 onions. So I'm going to let the onions cook for about a minute or two until it's golden brown, almost like it's burning, so that the pilau has the nice brown color. So I'll let the onions become lightly cooked, and then I'll add the garlic and the ginger. I have added the ginger, since ginger takes a little longer to cook. Give it a stir continuously. And this week I look forward to seeing you create your own signature dish from a country or a place or a people that are significant to you. So I'm going to give it a minute to cook and keep stirring. My onions are almost ready, so I'll add the garlic. Garlic takes a shorter time to cook, so it's good you put it when the onions are almost ready. You can see it's already turning golden brown. I like my onions this golden, so I'll turn down the heat a bit and then add the meat. It's about 500 grams of meat. I had boiled the meat for about 15 minutes to ensure it's soft. You don't want very tough meat in your dish. So I'll let it cook for about 3 or 4 minutes. My meat has been cooking for about 4 minutes, so I'm going to add in salt. That's like 1 tablespoon. Give it a stir. Then I'll add in the water, which will cook the rice. I am using 2 cups of rice, so I'm using 4 cups of water. I have some broth that I use to boil the meat. I'm going to add some flavor to the rice, and I'll add in the rest of the water. So I have 4.5 cups of water. Then I'll add in the main spice for the dish. It's pilau masala. It has different spices: cardamom, cloves, cumin, cinnamon, and black pepper. I'm going to add a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon. This is what gives the dish its brown color. So I'm going to let this boil, and then I'll be ready to add in my rice. My water is boiled, so now I'm going to add in the rice. That's 2 cups of rice. I'll give it a stir so the rice or the meat mix. So I'll leave this to, I'll turn down the heat and let this cook for about 10 minutes, and then it will be ready. So here is my pilau. Finally, I've put it on a plate. I look forward to seeing your dish this week. You could make it a snack or just a dish and then record it with the help of your adult, and ensure you plan it as you include it as a menu in your dishes.